Suppose that four successive terms of the Fibonacci sequence are chosen. So we just look at any four terms that are together, and we're going to do some math with those four successive terms. We're going to first multiply the first and the fourth, then we're going to double the product of the second and third, and then we're going to add the squares of the second and third. So there's three different math problems we're going to do, and those three answers form a Pythagorean triple. A Pythagorean triple is special because it's the three lengths of the sides of a right triangle, where you have the A, B, and C, and a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So these three special sides of a right triangle would be a Pythagorean triple. So using the successive terms of the Fibonacci sequence, 8 and 13 and 21 and 34, we're going to find the Pythagorean triple coming from those. So it's kind of interesting that there's a pattern within here that lets you do this. So according to this, first we're going to multiply the first and the fourth. So first I'm going to take the first number, 8, multiply it by the fourth number in the sequence, 34. 8 times 34 is 272. So that's going to be the first number in my sequence. So do comma. Second, double the product of the second and third. So we're going to do 2 times the second and the third multiplied together. So 2 times 13 times 21 equals, that's double the product. That's going to give you 546. So I do comma. Notice they don't do spaces between these on my math lab, so just do 546, no space. The third step is to add the squares of the second and the third. So the second number's 13, the third number's 21, and I want to raise those to the second power and add them. So that would be 13 squared plus 21 squared. You can type that in your calculator. Just use your x squared button to square those. And that's going to give you 610. So 610 would be the third number of the Pythagorean triple list. Okay, now if you want to verify this, this means that for a right triangle, the largest side would always be this diagonal side, and the other two sides are the legs. If we do 272 squared plus 546 squared, it should equal the hypotenuse, or the diagonal side, squared. So let's go ahead and verify that. So 272 squared plus 546 squared is equal to 372,100. And then if you calculate 610 squared, you get the same answer. So this is establishing the fact that we have found a Pythagorean triple.